Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will read the exercise 2b. So here first question is add and the given question is 27 and 34. So you have to note down these numbers in a straight line. Okay? And now add it. It's 7 and 4. So what will be the answer? 7 and 4 is 11. So 1 carry and 1 here. Again 3, 2 and 1, 3, 2, 5 and 1, 6. Note down the numbers in a straight line. Here B part is 23 plus 148. So note down 148. Now we have to add this. Don't forget to write in a straight line. Here 8 and 3 is 11. So 1 carry and 1 here. 4, 2 and 1 is equal to 7 and 1. Next C part 625 plus 295. Always note down the numbers in a straight line. So here 5 and 5 is equal to 10. So 1 carry and 0 here. 9, 2 and 1 is equal to 12. So 1 carry and 2 here. 6, 1 and 2 is 9. Now second question is a word problem. So here in a farm there are 127 mango trees and 198 guava trees. How many trees are there in all? So it is given that 127 mango trees and 198 guava trees. So we have to find that the total number of trees in a farm. So let's start our answer. We have to write the statements also in a short way. So it is a number. So this number is of what? It is a mango trees. Okay. So note down only the mango trees. What are given in the questions? Mango trees. So how many mango trees are there? It's 127. Give a proper gap in each digits. And second is 198. What is this? It is a guava trees. So note down guava trees in a next line. How many guava trees are there? It's 198. Okay. Note down in a straight line. And what we have to find? How many trees are there in all? How many trees? So it means the total. So note down here total trees. Total trees means we have to add these numbers. And now add these numbers. It's 7 and 8. What comes 7 and 8? It's 15. So here 1 carry and 5 here. 9, 2 and 1. It's 13. So 1 carry and 3 here. And 1, 1 and 1 is 3. So the total trees are 335. Now third question is find the sum of greatest 2-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. So here it is sum. Okay, sum means to add. I have already tell you about the sum and the difference. Okay, sum means to add. So here find the sum of greatest 2-digit number. So we have to find first of all the greatest 2-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. So note down here answer greatest 2-digit number. So when we talk about the greatest number, we will start the number from 9. So here greatest 2-digit number. So greatest number is always starts with 9. And it is 2-digit number. So we have to repeat 9 this times means 2. So it's 99. Next is the greatest 3-digit number. So note down greatest 3-digit number here. 3 digit means we have to repeat 3 times. Okay, so 3 times. So start from this 9, 9, 9 and 9, so that it will be easy to you to add, and then add. And what we have to find, we have to find the sum. So here note down in the third line, that is sum, and then again add these numbers. Okay, note down these numbers from the opposite form. First note down the first number as it is, and for second number start from the opposite direction, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so that it will be easy to you to add or to subtract. So here it's 9 and 9. 9 is equal to 18, so 1 carry and 8 here. 9 and 18 and 1 19, so 1 carry and 9 here, and 9 and 1 it's 10. So the sum of greatest 2 digit number and the greatest 3 digit number is 1098. So it is the answer. So today we have completed our exercise 2b. So in this way you have to solve your assignment. I have also given you a word problem. So let's try to do this word problem. Thank you.